In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events in Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser or the mobile app and make sure you're signed in to the right account. If you use multiple calendars, confirm the correct one is visible so your event appears where you expect it. Switching to week view can make it easier to see available time slots, but any view works. Look for the Create button near the top left and click it to open the event panel. From the list of options, choose Event. You may see other items like reminders or tasks, but for this walkthrough, we're creating a standard calendar event so it appears on your schedule with a set time. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title. Think about what you'll recognize at a glance later. Names like team check-in or dentist appointment are far more helpful than something generic. A good title also improves search, which is handy when your calendar gets busy. Next, set the date and time. Use the start and end fields to choose the day and adjust the duration. If it's an all-day item, turn on the all-day option so it stretches across the date. If you're scheduling across time zones, double-check the time zone indicator so the event shows up correctly for everyone and doesn't shift unexpectedly. Use the notes or description area to capture key details. Add an agenda, goals, addresses, links to documents, or anything you want at your fingertips when the event happens. Clear notes save you from digging through messages later and keep everything in one place, whether you open the event on desktop or mobile. When everything looks right, click Save. Your event will appear on the calendar immediately at the slot you chose. If you need to change something, maybe the title, time, or notes, just click the event, update the details, and save again. You won't lose your work, and edits are instant. If you don't see your new event, check that the calendar it belongs to is turned on in the sidebar. And if you placed it at the wrong time, simply drag and drop it to the correct spot in day or week view. It will snap to the new time and keep your notes intact. That's all you need to create events in Google Calendar. With a clear title, accurate time, and helpful notes, you'll stay organized and ready for whatever's next. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.